Hi, Miss Novi. Good
How-
morning.
Good.
You're having cut and color po.
Yes,
Okay,
good
for
morning.
the cut muna. Good morning.
Yeah, I guess good morning. I think a little trim.
Okay, just keep the length.
I think
Yeah,
so.
just the ends lang.
At
Remove the dead
saka,
ends.
lagyan ng...
Face trimming.
Yeah,
Okay, layers.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, for the color, what kind of color po?
Color, I want to have a JM amazing color.
Sige, patingin ako ng mga inspiration.
Hindi ko lang sure kung...
You wanna bleach pa din ba? Or
Yes.
you just
Oo.
rest?
Gusto kong... what do you think?
Pwede tayo mag-bleach. Papagandahin ko yung pagka-blonde. Basta more lighter.
Oo.
Ha?
Or,
Angat ko lang yung konting highlights.
yeah. So,
Gusto mo ba ashy or beige?
what do you think?
Maybe beige.
Okay.
Ha? Okay, sige.
Yeah.
Then si Gian, siya yung siya yung maglalagay ng color. Ako magde-decide kung ano yung gagawin sa hair mo.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Sige. Parade ko lang. po,
Okay,
ha?
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan. Tapos ka na ulit. Kerry?
Yes.
Yan. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Pinoy called pretty. Yan. Thank you. So, alagaan mo lang ng treatment kasi nga may mga bleach, cold bleach, yung roughness. Ha? Kerry Bells.
Yes, thank you
Yeah,
so
thank
much.
you.
It's
Maybe-
amazing.
Yeah. Maybe next time again.
Oh, sure. I'll make it a point.
Go. So after care, purple shampoo, purple conditioner, especially treatment.
Okay.
Salamat. Thank you.